Hi, welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to be talking about how to clean the Tesla Model 3 screen. If you spray it and just start wiping it, it'll go crazy. It'll open all kinds of settings and all kinds of stuff will happen. So there's actually a special way to do it. If you go to the bottom left to the car icon and pull the control menu and then go to display, there's actually a screen clean mode here. If you click this, then it'll go dark, and now you're in screen cleaning mode. So now you can clean the screen, spray it, wipe it down, and after that, then you hold this. You hold this for a couple seconds, to exit button, and then it'll go back to the screen. So that's a little trick that they implemented so that you can clean the screen without opening all kinds of menus and settings when you're wiping it down. Thanks for watching.